As we all know, cancer is one of the deadly diseases that are caused due to the inability of some wildly growing cells to die. More than 100 types of cancers have been identified till date and are classified on the basis of the type of the initially affected cell. Therefore, Heal and Bliss brings you the ultimate and credible solutions for any type of cancer and other treatments so as to offer you a healthy and a blissful life. State-of-the-art, more than 100-bedded hospitals established with a mission to provide world-class affordable healthcare facilities to all the sections of the society, and that too with a human touch.
We have our doctors, and we have carefully chosen the doctors who have the skill sets to deliver the world-class care because they are qualified, highly experienced and competent doctors, and we have acquired the technology and the skills through which they deliver their competence to the patients while treating them for the cancer.
Heal and Bliss therefore comes forward as a hope to those who can't afford the expenses that the disease demands.
We are providing them with the quality work of the international standards at a much cheaper price as compared to be it in the US or UK, where the things are available at a very exorbitantly high.
The fully fledged super specialty hospital is equipped to handle all types of cancer cases. The infrastructure, equipments and technologies.
We have got the entire spectrum of the oncology services, that is medical oncology, surgical oncology, radiation oncology, gynae oncology, neuro-oncology and a well-established department of nuclear medicine.
Have been integrated to international standards to provide globally compatible specialty healthcare. We are equipped with the latest state-of-the-art equipment like Delhi's first rapid arc radiation machine, 16-slice PET-CT and gamma camera, 1.5 Tesla MRI and 64-slice CT angio among others. Not only domestic patients but also from other countries like Afghanistan, Iraq, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Nepal are being treated. Surgical oncology.
We have modular operation theatres assisted by qualified and experienced anesthetists. We have got post-op wards, intensive care units.
The modular operation theatres with central supplies and laminar airflow, stainless steel cladding on wall and epoxy coating on floors maintain the electrostatic and infection-free environment.
We basically believe in the idea that the treatment should be comprehensive under one roof. The treatment should be radical, the treatment should be adequate. At the same time, the quality of life of the patient should be considered.
Radiation oncology. Radiation oncology is equipped with a computer-controlled dual-energy linear accelerator which operates in multiple modes, delivering both photon and electron radiation at different energy levels, so that the radiation oncologist can choose the most appropriate energy and depth of treatment for each individual case. The department has the most advanced treatment planning system utilizing a CT simulator, numerous software technologies for planning and delivery, and medical imaging technology that includes CT scan, PET scan and MRI. Gynae oncology. The department deals with the female genital cancers. The department offers both preventive and curative treatments for cancers of uterus, cervix, ovary, vulva and vagina and other gestational tumors. Nuclear medicine and PET-CT. nuclear medicine or department of radioisotope imaging is equipped with state-of-the-art 16-slice PET CT and dual-head gamma camera. Dual-head camera is used to detect the disease at the functional level. The isotope imaging helps in detecting the disease much earlier than it manifests itself, with structural changes to be detected with USG or CT imaging. We provide an unmatched support of the well-established 400-bedded facilities, backup of 24 hours emergency, ambulance services, blood bank and diagnostics facilities, high-end technology with highly experienced doctors and paramedical staff under one roof. Hence, Heal and Bliss looks forward to serve the patients at a global platform with their utmost facilities, sheer hard work, care, and that too at the most economical cost.